what are you doing? No. I know you're showing the trailer, but why are you showing that one? Yeah, but we're supposed to be showing them what it really looks like to be a content creator on a day-to-day basis, remember? Yeah, I know, but yeah, but um yeah.
My name is Justin. I was born and raised in the Philippines, but have recently moved 9,840 kilometers away to the beautiful city of Vienna. I used to run an architectural studio of my own, but lately I've tried my hand at making a few videos on YouTube. And I wish I could tell you that being a content creator is filled with awesome adventures and epic drone shots all the time, but I'd straight up be lying to you. Because most days, this is what it looks like.
Mic test.
Market.
Mic test. What's this? This is cream cheese.
Oh, and there's also a lot of this.
Welcome. Today I'm going to try and show you what a typical day looks like for me being a full-time dad as well as a content creator for YouTube. And in order to do that, well, we got to start making some coffee. Are you excited to go to school? Yes! Yes! I just left Kara in her kindergarten, which is just right there. Obviously, I brought my laptop with me today so that I could put in a little bit of work for this vlog challenge that we're doing, and hopefully I get to finish the script as best as I can so that we can start shooting for the weekend and hopefully submit right before the deadline. Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. One more. Alright, let's do one more. Okay, so it's 5:30 a.m. in the morning and I've just about finished scripting this video that I'm planning to submit for the Sony vlog challenge for 2021. And as I sit here in the living room whispering so as not to wake my wife and my daughter, I just want to say that even though it looks a little bit extreme or it looks like I'm pushing myself way too hard for staying up like this just to make content, I've never felt more aligned with what it is I want to do in life, which basically is to spend as much time as I can with my family and be able to work on things that I'm really passionate about. Starting a YouTube channel and this journey into content creation, even though I'm not yet getting paid from it, has been such a positive change in my life. And as cliche as it sounds, and it might be the architect in me talking, but being able to conceptualize something in my mind and being able to put it out in the world and turn it into a reality, that's really, really exciting to me.